Hi, welcome to my first ever unboxing video on this channel. I think it's my first one. I haven't done an unboxing of a big purchase like this on here yet, so this is the first time. So I'm going to unbox and do a little review on the DeMellier bag that I bought in the Black Friday sale. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Amber and I post fashion and travel content. Also on Instagram as Amber Molo and Eat Style Travels for the food and travel content. So if you're interested in fashion, like seeing travel vlogs, then please do keep watching and I would love if you subscribed as well. So I've definitely had my eye on the DeMellier bags for a while. Like every time I would go into a store, if they were there, I would always be eyeing them up, thinking, oh, I do really like them, but I just never thought to kind of go ahead and make the purchase. And then Black Friday, they obviously had the 20% off on. So I was like, okay, this is the perfect time to make the purchase because I'm getting a little bit of money off. So I went ahead and purchased the Midi New York bag in the black colour. And honestly, I don't know if I'm going to keep it. I'm really unsure. So I did already open it and I had a quick look at it, but I haven't done like a full kind of inspection and look, so I'm going to do that now for you. So it got delivered in this huge box and then it has a bag inside, which I'm guessing is kind of what you would get if you picked up the bag from the store. So that's quite nice that that was included, because if you did want to give it as a gift, you know that you can just take it out of this box and put it in the bag and it looks like you basically bought it from the store, which is great. So here's the big shopping bag that it comes in. And then here we have the dust bag with the handbag inside. Woo! Hello. Hello. So this is the bag, and as soon as I got it out of the packaging, my mum was there and she said, why is it folded at the side? And I was like, oh, it's meant to be like that. And then I was thinking, is it meant to be like that? And it's almost like it's been damaged in transit, but I don't know how it would have been damaged because, as you can see, it was in the dust bag inside the shopping bag inside the box. So really it shouldn't have moved around or been squashed against anything. So I'm not really sure why that bit is like that, but as you can see with that side, it just kind of goes straight out, and then this one is like creased, like it's like that. And I know that you probably could reshape it. It's a bit annoying when you've paid a bit more for a bag and it's just, yeah, I don't know. So that was the first thing that made me like, do I actually want this bag? A few years ago, I was very much like, if I wanted something that was designer or a little bit more money, I wouldn't really think that much about it. I would just buy it. And now I'm so picky. I'm just like, oh, I don't know. Like I remember I bought the Jacquemus bag. Jacquemus? I don't know, is that how you say it? And at first I was like, okay, and then I thought, I don't even like this. Like, well, I don't want it. So I just returned that, but I really have to be super sure on something. And I've only got one other bag that's kind of like mid-range or whatever, which is my Coach bag, and I do love that and still really happy with that. So that was a really good purchase. But other things, I do buy them and then I'm like, do I actually want that? So I'm definitely kind of in two minds about this one. So in terms of the price, full price, it's £445. But with the Black Friday 20% off, it came to £356. So I was like, yeah, that's a decent price. I'm more than happy to pay that for like a good quality bag, because I was just kind of missing one. And I went for black because I thought, well, it will go with everything. But since having it and looking at like my coats, my shoes, like the rest of my wardrobe, I'm thinking, I don't know if black's actually the best colour. So while the Black Friday sale was still on, I actually ordered two more of this exact same style in two different colours. I went for the dark brown suede one and then I went for the lighter brown one as well. They haven't actually been delivered yet, but they were supposed to be delivered this week. So it's currently the 3rd week of December. By the time I post this video, I'll probably have received them, but at the moment I haven't got them yet. But I must say this crease bit there is kind of putting me off, because look, you can see it just doesn't have it on that side and then that side does. Other than that, I do think it is a really gorgeous bag. I think it looks very high end, and yes, it is more money than bags from high street stores, but you're not paying near as much as you would be paying for a high end designer bag. So I do really like it. As you can see, it's got the plastic covering on the gold clasp there, which I'm not going to take off because I do think that I probably will end up returning this one and keeping one of the brown ones instead, just because I think they will match a lot better with my shoes and my coats that I've got. I don't really use a black bag that much, and I was thinking what bags I'd been using over the past few months, and they were all kind of brown or burgundy, so black seems like the sensible option, but is it? Who knows? I was just about to say I'm going to try and not take that off in case I return it, but then it just ripped off, so it is what it is. Okay, so as you can see, this is the clasp inside, and then it opens completely up like that, which is actually very handy. It also comes with a long strap there, so obviously you can wear it as a shoulder bag, which I don't think I would ever do, to be honest. I just feel like this style of bag is too big to be worn on the shoulder. I've just took the paper out of the inside so you can see it a little bit better in there. So it has got a zip pocket here, and then it's also got a little pouch pocket on this side there, which is actually quite big. Okay, yeah, it's actually quite deep, like my whole hand fits in there, so that's actually quite good. I'm going to see what actually fits in it now as well. I'm going to see if I can fit my laptop inside of the bag. No. Doesn't fit in there. Obviously this is the smaller one. This just come in the bigger size as well, which is the kind of original size. So if you are looking for a bag that you want to fit a laptop in, I would definitely go for the bigger version, because this does not fit in here. Even the width is a little bit too wide for the bag as well. If you are looking for something that is a bit smaller and a bit more compact and can fit kind of like your essentials in, then this would be perfect. As you can see, there is a lot of room in the bag, and you would be able to fit all of your essentials in there. I mean, I definitely would anyway. I don't really carry that much around with me. The only kind of criteria that I have for a bag recently is that it can fit both of my cameras, my phone in. So if it does that, then it does the job for me. Of course, there is no zip with this bag, but I like how these clasp bits at the sides really kind of push in, and it does feel secure there as well. So if you are just kind of grabbing something out of your bag, you can obviously just open the middle one there and get whatever you want out, and then at least it keeps it more secure at the side. And then you've got the clasp fastening in the middle there as well. This is kind of how it looks against the body, like the size of it. You would just sort of have it on your arm like that, or carry it kind of down below. So this is only going to be a short kind of video, but I think I've come to the conclusion that I'm not going to keep this one, just because the folded side is bugging me. And if it's bugging me now, it's not going to stop bugging me. So I think I probably will return this one. I'm not saying that I won't purchase it again at some point, maybe next year in the Black Friday sale. But if it all goes well with the brown ones and they don't have any defects or anything like that, and I like the colour, then I will most likely keep one of those. I'll also do a video unboxing the brown ones when they get here. Hopefully they come before Christmas. Maybe today, tomorrow, the next day. I'm sure they'll turn up. So I hope you found this video useful in some way. If you have been looking to invest in a bag like this or similar, I definitely wouldn't let this folded thing discourage you. Do you know what? I might be completely ignorant and maybe it's actually meant to be like that, but I don't see why it would be. If you think it's meant to be like that, let me know in the comments, and let me know if there is any other video ideas that you would like to see from me. Thank you again for watching. I would absolutely love if you subscribed, and I will see you in the next video.